everybody and welcome back. We're at Changan's factory here in Nanjing, China, and we're here for a very special occasion. We're going to see the first Changan Deepal S07 for the European market rolling off the production line, and I'm really excited about this. And this marks a milestone in Changan's entry into the European market and to compete on the global stage. Changan are one of China's leading automotive companies with a history of 41 years. With 14 production bases and 34 factories around the world, Changan are not just a manufacturer, but they're an innovator.
我宣布，深蓝 S07 首批欧洲订单正式下线。
For the European market,
not only the best ceremony of the European version of Changan.
Whoa, look how the screen turns to me. That's pretty cool. The S07 is a perfect blend of European design and cutting-edge technology. Designed at Changan's Italian Design Centre, it features a sleek, minimalist exterior with hidden door handles and a streamlined body that's both stylish and aerodynamic. Inside, you're greeted by the innovative floating cockpit, a modern spacious interior centred around a rotating sunflower touchscreen that adapts to your needs. Hey Deepal, turn on the air conditioning.
Okay, I'll turn it on.
Hey Deepal.
Hello.
Turn right.
Okay.
Actually, I think this is very intuitive because even the icons, I know this is open the back, I know this is for music, this is for air conditioning, this is for the screens. It's very intuitive, it's very easy, and having the voice functionality is just great. I don't even need to take my eyes from the road. I can just issue the commands without being distracted. It's very good. Yeah, I have all the head-up display, so I have all the most important information right in front of me. Oh my God, that is so cool. That just appears from underneath at the touch of a button. Wow. I would have never have known that was there. We can put the trailer with the tent and the barbecue and the refrigerator, everything, yeah. So I must say, my first impression of this Changan Deepal S07, I'm really pretty impressed. And not only that, it's really a very, very safe car. They've earned a prestigious 5-star NCAT 5 European rating on this car. So it's a really, really safe car. So something that you'll notice in this factory is there's a lot of AGVs moving product around, and they use that for all of the logistics. There is around 300 of these AGVs operating in this factory, and they account for moving around 60% of the parts around this final assembly workshop. You'll also notice it's very, very clean, tidy and organized in here. Really, really impressed. And all the AGVs in the factory are all controlled by a 5G plus private network they have here, and that combined with AI controls all the logistics. So what's really impressive about this factory is when a customer orders a car from the website, you can choose various colors and specifications like different wheels, and this can handle all of that. So each model coming down the production line, the AI and 5G logistics make sure the correct parts for that custom built model are with that vehicle as it goes down the production line. And from order to completion takes just 16 days. That is fantastic. So this is one of the AGVs, and this is the charging station. They automatically know when they don't have any work to do. They will automatically come and top up their charge, and that's really great. So behind me is the components warehouse. And what happens is completely automated and it's 100% accurate. So what happens, you get these larger robots go and pick the components from the shelves basically, and then they bring them to these here and then these load them onto these AGVs, which then take them around to the assembly workshop. So behind me is the chassis assembly line, and they have automated machines that basically screw the bolts into the chassis and automatically make sure they're tightened to the right amount with automatic torque drivers. That's something I've not seen yet here in a factory before. So this is a chassis now coming around for its interior fitting, and it will go down this line and have all its interior put in. And these are much larger AGVs because it's a partially completed car on there now. Well, this car is apparently being built and going on its way to Norway. And here you can see the AGV pulling all the components for an interior fit of this vehicle. And something I want to tell you about these larger AGVs. Previously, the cars will be transported around on a fixed conveyor, but these are much more flexible because they can literally go anywhere. So what we're seeing here is it's actually an AI inspection robot. It's on this track. It also has a multi-axis camera, which, as you'll see, it moves around the car, and this will check for errors or imperfections, and it's another stage in the checking process. So it's now checking the back of the car. And then finally here, this is where the completed cars come off the production line. And what I've learned is quite amazing, really, in that every car coming off this production line can be slightly different. This factory produces this S07 model for 102 different regions in the world. And many of those regions have slight differences. So some of them are right-hand drive, some are left-hand drive. They have slightly different interior fits. They may have different wheels. They may be different colors. But their automated AI and 5G plus system in this factory can handle that. So literally, almost every car coming down this production line can be slightly different. And that's very different to legacy factories where one production line would have to complete, the same car over and over and over again before they change production on that line. So that just makes it really, really efficient. And as I said previously, people can order a car, and it can be a custom car, a color, certain wheels, certain interior fit, and from start to finish, it can be delivered in 16 days. And that's really China speed. So as you can see at this Changan factory here in Nanjing, China, how clean, how modern, how efficient, how safe, and how high-tech it is. And that's really something, China have really, really advanced manufacturing of cars to the next level. Today's ceremony marks a new chapter for Changan, a leap forward in their ambitions to become a global automotive brand. The S07 combines thoughtful European design, advanced safety, and smart technology to meet the demands of the modern driver. And you know what? I'm actually going to test drive one of these S07s on Chongqing's demanding 8D roads. So for now, take care.